For the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to make pH indicator strips. Before getting started, you'll need to put on a pair of gloves. To create these strips, you'll need a pair of scissors, filter paper, a piece of cotton filter, but if you don't have that readily available, a coffee filter will suffice. You'll also need one funnel, 1 metric cup of water, a small to medium-sized pot, and some fresh or frozen beets. The reason why beets are used is because they contain a compound called anthocyanin, which causes the beets to have their rich color. When the color is extracted, it will change color when exposed to substances at various pH levels. If beets are not readily available, blueberries, curry powder, or purple cabbage will serve as great alternatives. If you do not have access to your own heat source, you can create your own extract by adding a few milliliters of acetone, which is commonly found in nail polish removers, and a few drops of lime juice to your extract. This is more labor intensive as the indicator needs to be chopped up into fine pieces prior to starting, and it needs to be grinded in order to extract the color. The filtration process is the same as what I'm about to show you, and both processes yield very similar results. The first thing you want to do is bring your pot to a heat source and turn on high. Add the 1 cup of water, cover, and bring to a boil. Once the water is boiling, remove the cover, add in your beets, reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes in order to extract the color from the beets. While the beets are being prepared, we need to prepare our filter paper for extraction. If you're using the coffee filter, try to spread it out as flat as possible. Place the funnel down on the filter and use the scissors to cut the coffee filter into a circular shape. Grab your funnel and press the coffee filter down into the funnel for a secure fit. If you are using the cotton filter, press it down into the funnel for a secure fit. We can also prepare the filter paper used to make the pH strip. Take your filter paper and cut out 2 6 to 8 cm long and 1 cm wide strips, or you can cut out more or less depending on how much you need. After 15 to 20 minutes, turn off the heat and move the pot to a cool surface. Let the beet mixture cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the beet mixture has cooled, pour the mixture into the funnel lined with the coffee filter or cotton filter over the measuring cup used earlier. Using a spoon, mash down onto the beets in the funnel in order to get any remaining water that may have not filtered through. Once the liquid has been extracted, dispose of the cooked beets and clean up. Once you have your beet extract, gather the pH strips made earlier and immerse them into the extract until they are stained. This should take about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the pH strips have been stained, remove them from the beet extract and place them on a paper towel to dry. Let the pH strips fully dry before testing. Next, we're going to show you how to test the pH strips.